Okay, for all the people who are following me on YouTube, I've done a few things since my last video. I got a brand new Garrett 48 AR turbo put on. It's a T3, and actually just today I put a new exhaust pipe all the way to the back of the car, so I don't have an open down pipe. It's much quieter, much better ride, and I don't smell exhaust all the time. I think I haven't put a video up on it yet, but I got a brand new spout fan. The stock radiator fan melted because of all the heat, and the fans were twisted and causing me to overheat going down the track. And I posted a 17.8, and that was only because I started to overheat. Now it seems to run a lot better. I had to do a vacuum leak test because I haven't been having struggling issues as far as like when I'm in boost, and right there on the throttle body where the rotor is where it leaks really bad. And I just bought a Skunk 2. I have it sitting at my desk at work, and I gotta find time to put that in. And I think the only thing I need so far to be able to fix everything is a new wastegate. This was an eBay wastegate that I put in. I got about a year's worth out of it before the diaphragm blew out. But I think I'm going to upgrade to the Turbo Smart Ultra Gate 38. I've heard really good reviews on it. As far as anything else, I really haven't had any problems. No oil leaking, nothing to that effect so far. So this is people with D15B7 single cams non-VTEC motors. These are great little cars, and it's fairly quick when everything is running smoothly. But thank you for watching all my videos, and please subscribe if you like them.